Here she comes. Just learned how to ride a bike first day. Making the turn. Here comes. Yeah. You got to get right back up on that horse. You okay?
Yeah, it seems.
Let me see the injury. Or I gotta get Lauryn come back. Look. What's that? Here we come. Look at. Whoa, who's there? Let's look at.
Look at Maddie's boo-boo.
Let's see. Oh, that hurts.
Wipe out.
Oh, that's you get some respect with that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here we go.
I just fell, Lauryn. Look.
Well, don't lick her. Here, let me get some of Libby in here too.
With her dirty.
Who's dirty?
Look at her eyebrows.
Hi, Judy.
Yeah.
Well, there she goes.
Now you're really loving riding bikes, huh?
Can you keep an eye on Libby here?
Now you can really see the.
Well, let me end this.
Did you get some of Lauryn smiling and piking?
Yeah. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye. Goodbye, Libby. Libby. Bye-bye.